If you're getting ready to start an LLC in Texas, there's something you should know right off the bat. A lot of people make this whole process way more complicated than it needs to be. And honestly, when you start reading through the Texas instructions, it becomes pretty obvious why. It feels like a long checklist of steps and legal terms you're somehow supposed to understand immediately. And that's where the overwhelm starts, because you've got the name search, the Texas Certificate of Formation, the registered agent, the operating agreement, the EIN, and a handful of Texas-specific rules sprinkled on top. And you're sitting there thinking, why does every step feel more confusing than the last? So yeah, I totally get why people get stuck, and that's exactly why I tell people not to do everything manually. You don't need to waste hours trying to decipher legal jargon or wondering whether you uploaded the right form. There's a much better alternative, and that's using a formation service that just handles it all in the right order. And here's the part that almost no one talks about. After forming multiple LLCs myself, there's one service that made the entire Texas process smoother and way less stressful every single time. It's Taylor Brands. They walk you through each step, file the paperwork correctly, keep you compliant, and make sure nothing important is forgotten. So yeah, if you want the easiest way to form a Texas LLC without paying a lawyer or losing an entire weekend to paperwork, check out the Taylor Brands link in the description or pinned comment, because my link automatically applies the discount for you. And thanks so much for watching. I just wanted to give you a quick, clear overview so you don't get stuck on your Texas LLC. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one.